gentlemen, the concrete music is playing its last round for tonight. We just want to say thank you for coming. We were very happy to be here with you tonight. First of all, a big thank you to our technician, Freddy. And a big cheer for your DJ, Sean. And a big cheer for all the waitresses and the organization. And a big cheer on the right side on the accordion from Garnish, Tony.
Thank you.
On the diadonische Harmonika from Partenkirchen, unser Josef und Giuseppe.
Thank you very much.
On the big bass, the man from the Liebhaus in Germany, Michael. The man on the drum, Florian Reiter, Adi. On the guitar, from Paris, Florian. If you like this, come back tomorrow. We're open on Sunday afternoon. If you like our music, you can buy CDs at the souvenir shop. Sorry, it's not possible to come on stage for you, sorry. Have a safe trip home. See you tonight at Carnival Music. We're going to